Hello smart viewers, how are you today? Hopefully you are in a good condition. Well, in the last video, we learned about how to use to be and to do. But today, we focus on how to use present tense of be or to be. Well, there are three kinds of be in present tense. There are am, is, and are. Well, for subject I, we use am. You are, he is, she is, it is. And then for you, we use are. You are, we are, they are. Well, there are two kinds of you. You are and you are. The first you means kamu or anda. For example, are you a doctor? Are you a doctor? Apakah Anda seorang dokter? It means singular or tunggal. So the answer is yes, I am, or no, I am not. But you, for the second one, it means plural. It means kalian. Example, are you doctors? Are you doctors? Apakah kalian itu para dokter? So the answer is yes, we are, or no, we are not. Well, that's why there are two kinds of you, singular, and you, plural. What about the pattern? Let's go to the pattern. We can use to be after subject. Subject plus am, is, or are, depending on the subject, and then followed by noun. Noun means kata benda. Adjective, kata sifat, and adverb, kata keterangan. Okay, it is the sentence pattern of how to use to be in present tense. Now let's go to the example. Subject, for A here is the pattern of subject plus to be plus noun. Example, this is an umbrella. This is an umbrella. Ini adalah sebuah payung. I am a doctor. I am a doctor. Saya seorang dokter. They are taxi drivers. They are taxi drivers. Mereka adalah supir taksi. So, the word underlined here means noun, singular or plural. An umbrella means singular. A doctor also singular, but taxi drivers are plural. Now, how to use subject plus to be plus adjective. Adjective means kata sifat. Example here, John is sick today. John is sick today. John sakit hari ini. Yang disebut dengan kata sifat yaitu yang sick. Number 2, Mr. and Mrs. Robinson are tired. Mr. and Mrs. Robinson are tired. Tuan dan Nyonya Robinson sedang capek. And then, number 3, the boy is diligent. The boy is diligent. Anak laki-laki itu rajin. Oke, rajin termasuk yang kata sifat or adjective. And then the third pattern is subject plus to be plus adverb or kata keterangan. Okay, example, the students are in the classroom. The students are in the classroom. Murid-murid itu berada di dalam ruang kelas. And then my father is at home. My father is at home. Ayahku ada di rumah. And then it is 10:30. Sekarang jam 10:30. Jadi yang di garis bawah itu merupakan kata keterangan. In the classroom and at home are adverb of place. Jadi kata keterangan tempat. In the classroom sama at home. But 10:30 is adverb of time. 10:30 merupakan keterangan waktu 10:30. Okay, it's clear, right? Now the exercise. The exercise here, put in am, is, or are. Okay. Number 1, you can think it over before I can give you the answer. So, what is your opinion? Juminten is beautiful. Juminten is beautiful. Juminten cantik. 2. She is a secretary. She is a secretary. 3. Badrun is a farmer. Badrun is a farmer. 4. He is on the farm. He is on the farm. Dia berada di ladang. 5. Mr. Pawirocoa is rich. Mr. Pawirocoa is rich. Tuan Pawirocoa kaya. Okay. You can also I hope you can make some sentences using to be here. Is, am, or are. Alright? Number 1 to number 5. It is the subject is singular. That's why we use is. And then let's go on to number 6. Number 6, okay? Sally and I are friends. Sally and I are friends. Kenapa pakai are? Karena subjeknya ada 2, berarti plural, bentuk jamak. Sally and I are friends. 7. We are students. We are students. 8. The girls are clever. The girls are clever. Number 9. They are my friends. They are my friends. Number 10. My parents are busy. My parents are busy. Okay. Now please listen and repeat after me. Number 1. Juminten is beautiful. She is a secretary. Badrun is a farmer. He is on the farm. Mr. Pawirocoa is rich. Question number 6. Sally and I are friends. We are students. The girls are clever. They are my friends. My parents are busy. Okay, it is easy exercise, right? So you can also make some sentences using to be, am, is, and are. Okay. Well, this is the end of our exercise, how to use to be in right grammar. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Bye bye.